Hey guys, Louie here from LBW Gaming, and today we're going to be opening a booster pack. So let's get into it. Look. So, first of all, we have Muse.
Let me focus. Get that. Magical.
Should I put them at the front?
Yeah.
Okay, Shogun.
Are
Gallade Spirit Link.
Oh yeah, we need that.
Wait, what does it do? Your turn does not end.
Ooh.
That is good. That is good.
If you haven't seen our video, he did get
Wardrobe.
Little.
Pillow. And
Oh,
that's alright. Decent. And that's it.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching our pack opening, and bye.
Bye.